Today I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro and save it into a new file. This is incredibly useful when you've scanned documents in the wrong orientation or received files that need adjusting before sharing with colleagues or clients. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files where you'll see a list of PDFs you've worked with recently. From this list, select the PDF file you want to rotate and save into a new file. This will open your document in the main workspace. Now, look toward the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This will expand a comprehensive menu showing all the features Adobe Acrobat Pro has to offer. From here, you'll need to access the page manipulation features. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Organize Pages. This tool is specifically designed for managing your PDF structure, including rotating, deleting, or rearranging pages. Once you're in the Organize Pages view, you'll see thumbnail previews of all your pages laid out clearly. Click on the specific page you want to rotate. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. With your page selected, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find Page Options. Within this section, you'll see a Rotate button. Go ahead and click this button to rotate your selected page 90 degrees clockwise. Alternatively, if you want to rotate all pages in the document, simply highlight all the pages by clicking and dragging across them or using the Select All option. Then navigate to the left panel and click the Rotation button. This applies the rotation to every page simultaneously, saving you time if the entire document needs adjusting. Once you've finished rotating your pages, it's time to save your work. In the upper left toolbar, click on Menu, then select Save As. This ensures you're creating a new file rather than overwriting your original document, which is important if you need to preserve the unrotated version. You'll be presented with several saving options for where you'd like to store your new file. Choose the location that works best for your workflow. If needed, rename the file to distinguish it from the original version. This helps you keep track of which file contains the rotated pages. Finally, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will process your document and create the new file with all your rotations preserved exactly as you specified. And that's it. You've successfully rotated your PDF pages and saved them into a new file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.